Apple just announced new capabilities that can get you ready for an apocalypse and can actually save your life. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. I've got all the inside info on Apple's latest launch and their new products over at CyberGuy.com. I was at Apple headquarters. It's called Apple Park as Tim Cook launched a slate of new iPhones, watches, and upgraded AirPods. But Apple also revealed two new features that'll change the game when it comes to your safety. First up, emergency SOS via satellite. If you're ever too far from a cell phone tower to get phone service and you find yourself in an emergency, the iPhone 14 can save your life. Your phone can search for a nearby satellite, even when flying overhead at 15,000 miles an hour, and provide you with connectivity to get out a distress call. Here's how it'll work. Your iPhone will show you on the screen where to point it to make a connection, and then it's going to send an automated text message you've selected to alert emergency services. It can take less than 15 seconds to send a message that'll hopefully get you help in a hurry. The next safety feature comes on both iPhone and the new Apple Watches. It's called crash detection. It's exactly what you think it sounds like. Your Apple device can now identify if you've been in a car crash or accident. It's going to detect the G-force measurements up to 256 Gs. That's pretty massive. Apple tested over 1 million hours of real-world driving and crash detection so that they can identify 4 types of crashes. One is front impact, side impact, rear end collisions, and rollovers. If crash detection is activated, your iPhone or Apple Watch will automatically count down before calling emergency services to get you help. That means you'll be able to get help even if your Apple device is way out of reach or you're unconscious. To learn more about Apple's just announced products and features, dig in deep at cyberguy.com, and you can also subscribe to my free newsletter.